Hello YouTube, I'm going to do a little microphone test. Last time I rode I had some awful popping. Repositioned the microphone. We're going to test that out today to see if it's any better. Hopefully I'm not too loud, not too quiet when I get back home. We'll find out then. I did put it way too close to my mouth, I think, because I'm getting the little fuzzy things from the dead cat in my lip. That's going to drive me nuts. Another balmy 40-degree day, and the wind's blowing pretty good, so this is going to be a very quick test ride. Take out the little Sportster. I'm hoping to get the Road King out soon. That one I wait a little while because I don't like that one getting dirty, or as dirty as the other ones. So maybe pretty soon, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's supposed to be nice. It's also supposed to snow overnight tonight, so we'll see how that goes. Let's see, let's take this little, although this won't help the wind because we're going to drive this road quite a bit slower. What nice scenery. So we'll see how this goes. I also put one of those chin deflectors that goes underneath the helmet, but that seems to be, I'm feeling a lot more air on my chin with that on there than I did without. So I'm not sure if it's acting as a scoop. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully the pops are gone, but I never had them on this bike. I just with the windshield, so I'm not sure what was causing that. If the wind was coming around the windshield and hitting the microphone a little funny. Oh, this corner's nice and clear. A little sand on the outside. Oh, this one is sandy. Yeah, we'll take the slow. What we need here is a nice heavy short burst of rain just to wash all this crap off the road. And then we can go out and enjoy more of the back roads. Doesn't that sound fun, YouTube? Yeah. Oh, pretty soon driving through these roads you have to look for turkeys. We get a lot of turkeys, deer, all that stuff jumping out in front of you. There's a little bit of a lake view, like I said. Always driving around lakes or fields or take a turn onto County Road 49, which I never understand some of these county roads. Pristine bike paths all over the place, which, don't get me wrong, I got nothing wrong with bicycling. You don't take the kids bicycling, but people need to get back and forth to work. They don't go to work on a bicycle in the middle of Minnesota. Let's spend a little bit of money on the roads that people use. Like this guy, here's a truck right here. He's doing his job on the road. But let's neglect the roads and fix the bicycle paths. That makes no sense to me. Especially when a lot of the bikes you see on the bike path are mountain bikes. So if anything, you could throw down gravel. They don't have to be completely nice asphalt, pristine bike paths. Anyway, enough about that. Sorry. That always bothers me. Try not to rant and rave too much stuff like that. It's not what this is about. This is about enjoying the motorcycle ride. We're gonna go enjoy the motorcycle ride. We're gonna turn here, see if we can't see some turkeys up this way. Oh yeah, maybe give me a little bit of room. Let's see how this goes. Gotta get out here in the open, get a lot of wind up here. No trees. So we'll see if I'm getting popping on this bike. And if not, I'll have to take the windshield back out again and test that one. Try not today though. I'm gonna go warm up after this. Maybe a nice scotch, enjoyed in a responsible way. Delightful. Coming up in a little town of St. Nicholas. I'm not sure what you call it, town, village, township. It's not very big, this is pretty much it. Church and a bar, that's all you need. Church and a bar. Yeah, hopefully I got this popping. I'm going to have to rearrange that dead cat, like I said. It keeps going into my mouth. If anybody heard my last video and has issues like that and has any advice as to tips to get rid of that, what I have is one of those Purple Panda microphones with the dead cat, and I put the foam back in it and I have it taped. I had it under the cheek. I pulled it out of there and put it a little bit closer to my mouth, so hopefully that my mouth would be louder and I could take down the volume in editing. Hopefully my voice is not popping now. We'll see you. Head back, warm up a little bit, get ready to see if it's going to be a nice enough day tomorrow to take the Road King out finally. So I appreciate it if you're watching. Please keep watching. Please tell everybody else to watch. And until next time, thank you YouTube. Kind of died off there, brain fart. Thank you YouTube. Have a good day.